I'm going to go ahead and call this part 4A. So remember this kitchen that we looked at? Again, feels really cold. It's black, gray, and white. So where do we go from here? Okay, so again, this one's looking better too. Here we have an island that we just traded out for something a little bit warmer. You could do this easily with some new cabinetry. Maybe you even bring in a different countertop that's on top of the island. That could bring in some warmth. Replace the backsplash with a marble that has both gold and gray tones in it. So again, not alienating that gray color, but also bringing in more warmth with some bronzier golden tones. Replacing the pendant lights above the island, adding that runner really helps, and then replacing all the hardware with something that is more on the warmer metal tone, like a gold. So tonight I'll be sharing these two options taken to almost full renovation. So again, part 3 and 3A, as I'm calling them, or 4 and 4A, I can't even remember AM, are really more about simple solutions that are budget friendly-ish, if you will, and little things that you can do if you're moving into a home that has a great kitchen, or if you live in one today that has a great kitchen, and how to really warm